How to cut kaftan pants. There is difference between pants and kaftan. So I want to teach you how to cut kaftan. A lot of people have messaged me on Facebook and WhatsApp that they want to know how to cut pants. So, but I didn't give them a response, actually yet, because I wanted to do a video that everyone would watch. So that was why I said I have to do video on how to cut kaftan pant. In that way, can give you enlightenment on how to cut pant too. So when I am about to do video on that one, I will tell you the time. So it will be easier for you to do the pants with neat and 100% stitches. So these are my measurements. Length is 37, the length, and the band is also 37. But it's not a trouser band, it's kaftan. So I will do the video on how to sew it too. So and then your tie or balls, you have to base on the person you are about to cut his kaftan or a kaftan pant. So I'm about to do the video now. First thing you have to do, you have to make sure your materials is well ironed before start doing anything, so that it will give you a neat, and a good cutting out. So I said our length, the kaftan length is 37. So to make this place straight, so I have to draw the line. I'm not used to chalk, tailor chalk, so I'm used to buy roll. So I don't like chalk too much, so that's why I don't use it. So I will place my measurements here and then measure 37. That 37, I will have to add 2 to it. That will make it 39 because of the folding. So 39, and then here, well, the waistband, that's based on the person you are measuring, but my waist is 37. Actually, I used to measure, from here to here. I used to measure 1.5, and then I will place my ruler like this. There are some ruler that we use to cut this kind of whether pants or trouser, but I don't have that one. And then if I must use it, so those that don't have the money to buy or that don't have it, it won't be easier for them to practice, because they can't practice it without the ruler. So I don't want that. So we have to measure 10.5 here. No matter who the person is, but sometimes some people have high height or big waist size, so you can increase it. So I will use 13 here. I will measure 13 here too. And then roll it out. I have rolled it out now. So this place actually have to be curved. We make sure it is curved. So the thing I can do is to use this ruler, but if you have the measurement ruler, there are some curve and China. It's not Chinese one, but I don't want to use that one. But I will soon use it to cut pants, so that it will be more lighter. You know, I have cut it, puff it here. So you can see this ruler is also bent. So and then 2, you measure 2 here, 2 also here, and then we roll it out. Roll this side too. So it might be 3 from here, 3 or 3.5, but I will measure 3.5, and then I will make it curve, you know, curve like this. So I think you are with me. So, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at West Culture, because there will be a lot of updates that I will be posted, how to sing and how to cut, you know, and then how to grow your business, how to place your business online. So a lot of it. So we have to do it. So it's now for me to measure here. So I'll measure 7. So it depends on the person you are cutting. These all are clothes. So remember, I measure 39. So you have to measure the 39 back, so that your pants won't bend. So 39. Then you will roll it out. You roll it out. No, I've already measured 7 here. You place the ruler like this. You know, 7. I place out. Then place your ruler like this. If you don't have it like I'm using only ruler for the curve and everything, so I don't want you to think like without having the ruler you can't do anything, you can't cut it. There is nothing like that. Our hand is also a ruler, you know, you can see it here. So I have to cut it out. You can see I cut it out from here. I didn't leave this side. I didn't cut it from this side. You know, there are some kind of code on how to swing pants and trouser. Rather to cut it from here, they will cut it from here and then open this side. So I won't do that. I will cut it out from here. You know. I have cut it out. Do you see like this? This is like this. It is curved. This is, like this is the hip side. So it will make it tight for the person. So now it remain the back of the pant. This is the front I cut. So you then place it like this. So you see 13 that I mentioned. So it's only two dots that is cut, that has been cutting out. This is 28 or 28. So if I after swing it and everything, so it's either be equal to 25 or 20. So this side, this is 2.5. So you don't have to waste materials because you are cutting trouser. So you don't have to waste plenty of material. I measure 2 here. You see, I'll measure 2 here, 2 also from the mouth of the. So, and then I will rule it out with my Bible. You can use ruler and then you can use your Bible. So it depends on what. It's not the cutting that is actually the problem. Sometimes when you see someone sewing a rough pant or a rough trouser, it depends on the person that is sewing it. So I'll place my ruler here, roll this side out for the outside. This area you can measure, you can use Bible like this. You may not use it, so I don't need to use that. So I cut it out. From this side, this is front. The reason why this place is cut is because of the of the front, because of this kind of side, this side, so that it will be bent. It has to be bent. Your waist, your hip is bent like this. So this also has to be bent to give you the clean and perfect job, so that it will be well fitted when wearing it. So this place, it might be 2, it might be 1 now, but I will do it because I will swing 1 and I will swing inches, half inches inside with the band. So if we have band, so this 2, the person band is 37. So this is 10, this is 10, and then there's something I have to add with 10. So a little of putting inside like this 10. If I measure it like this, so maybe I measure 10 now. This will be 20. This will be 20. 20 divided by 2, that will be 40. I hope you are with me. So this place have to be curved. It have to be bent, So bend like this. Join it here. Measure. Don't forget, we measure 2 here. So this place, you have to take your ruler like this. You bend it. You measure. Start from this point to this point, and then you roll it out. Did you see it now? So by the time we had the pant. So I'll do the video too on how to strain it and iron and everything. So that won't give you a problem, or how am I going to do this thing, like I'm doing magic. This is not magic. So those that are doing it too, they are also a woman like you, and nobody brings how to do things come from heaven. We all learn it in this world, and learning never ends. Can you see it? So it's bent like this. So this is 2.5, 2 here, 2 here, sit down. So I have already ruled this side. So if you can see, there is a trace of Bible here. So from that point, we start cutting this. You can see they have joined together like this now. Make sure you are using a sharp scissors, so it will make your cutting more neat. This place is also curved too, so there are some, it won't be the same. There are some kind of it can be pants, and it can be, you can cut like it like that, and then it may be this one too, as I'm taking my cutting from this place. So I'll just bend it like this. From this place we have, it will have space, but I don't need to do it like that. So I'll just cut it out, because I'm using band, so I don't need to do all that kind of thing. If you can look at it very well, you will see the back is also curved from the top. It's curved, bend like this. So for the perfect back, and then when you place your pocket, so wait, you can see it now. This is how to cut carton pants, or you can cut it as the same as trouser too, because when I'm sewing it, I will sew it like trouser too. So what you got it? What you got it? More. Okay. So this is it. Can you see it? It's bent here, bent from this paper. I didn't use more than this thing, Bible and my measurements, my scissors. If you have all this ruler, curve and everything, they have this all different kind of shape, that will be easier for you to do. Don't have any problem on this one. But for those that don't have it, so I have made a perfect fit for you to do it without having any stress. So from here is 10, and I measure 10.5 from here. Let me say from here to this place, it will be 12 and